Hey Linda, it's Ray again. Just as a quick video on selecting font and font size. The font style is most important if you don't already have something selected. If you do, I'm sure it's going to be on this list. You can take a look and see if it is, and if not, we'll have to try and find something close. The list includes Google fonts and a few other options. I'm going to assume that you got into the dashboard of your website by using your first name Linda and the password I sent you on text message. Once you're in there, you will see this. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to a page that I created on your website that is a behind the scenes page. Nobody sees it but you and I. And it's a page where we can mess around and try and play around a little bit with colors and with font and things like that. So the way you get to it, I'll show you a little bit about the dashboard. All of this over here, as I explained, is where all the magic happens. This one, by the way, please don't mess with this WordFence. It is your security program. I had one client who I gave the access to their dashboard, and they went in and messed around with it and ended up creating quite an emergency. They had 33,000 attacks a day on their website. And unfortunately, WordFence was able to stop them, but it was pretty crazy. Anyway, what we want to do is go up to Pages, All Pages, click on that, and you'll see that there are two pages. The Under Construction page, you can click View, and it will show that page that is showing on the website right now. Then when you go back to their dashboard, we'll go back to Pages, and I want to click a page that's titled Messing Around with Fonts, Text Size, and Colors. And let's click View. Now this up here, Messing Around with Fonts, Text Size, and Colors, is your header. We will use the same font that we establish here with this little experiment area. We will use that up here. Or we can actually customize this at a later date. But what we want to do is try and figure out which font you prefer down here. So the way you do that is you go to Customize, and then you get in a large group of menus here. It's really quite detailed. We go to General, and then Headings, Text, Text, and then you will see this ability to change colors. Now I'm going to hit red, and the text, this is a test, will turn red. You can enter in any color code that you have, or you can just select from this long list of colors that they have. I'll show you about selecting the color on the next brief video. Right now we're just going to stay with black. What I'd like you to focus on is the font. Right now it's set to Helvetica. You could change it to Courier and watch it change. Tell you what, I'm going to make it a larger font so it's easier to see. Okay, so this is just playing around with it. Don't worry about it. It won't stay that size. And like I said, nobody sees this. But what I'd like you to do is scroll through here and click and see which font it is that you prefer. There's thousands, well, not thousands, but there's a whole bunch of them. What's Kadam Thamor? I don't know. Let's see. Boom. I don't know about that. Let's find another really funny one. Maliana. Boom. See how it changes? And it'll change to all sorts of different fonts. What you want to do is find one in here that you really like. You can see the way this goes. Now, once you find it, do me a favor. Here, I'm going to see where is. I was looking for Times Roman. It's not in here for some reason. I guess that's selectable. I'm going to have to figure out where those are because Times Roman is famous. Well, was it up above? Times. There it is. That's a famous one, right? But anyway, once you figure out which one you want, all you have to do is click publish and then let me know. Okay? So I'm going to put it back to Helvetica. I'm going to push publish. And again, it won't change anything on the page that's visible to the public. It only changes this messing around with fonts, text size, and colors. Okay? Next video, brief video, will be on colors, and it uses a cool little program up here, a little deal on your computer called ColorZilla. Okay, talk to you soon.